Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we are going to a car meet today, and it's a day meet. Right now, I just pulled up at Colorado N5X, his shop. So we're gonna have a little pre-meet here. Then we're all gonna cruise together and show up at the meet, so it should be a good day. Alright, so we just parked. Got some 335s. There's Brian's car. All right, guys, so we're in Brian's shop right now. Here is his famous M3. Chilling in the shop. Look at that beautiful engine cover. And as a lot of you guys know, he's got pure turbos on it. He's actually taking them off and putting on some newer turbos, making more power. What do you guys think about that? Dude, it's so clean. I can't get enough of it. He makes my car look super stock. So he just installed the GTS taillights and they look so good. Hopefully they'll make an aftermarket set for the M4 so I can cop some without paying $8 grand. All right guys, we're heading out to the meet right now. I'm gonna try getting in some races with N54 Z4 over there, so we'll see how that goes, but all right. It's a little cold this morning. I don't know how we're gonna put some traction down. You can smell the E85 coming over there. Got a little overpass. Alright guys, we're pulling up. All these people in this Sam's Club parking lot is looking at us so crazy. Getting so many stares. There it is. Looks like a lot of cars showed up today. Just pulled up, everybody's parking. So let's go take a look, let's see what's out here. Got our BMW parking over here. Look at this Mazda up here. Supposedly this guy pushes over 800 horsepower. Super fast. He's a sleeper for sure. Jeez. If you want to get gapped, look at these tires. 60-year-old license plate. Looks my car's cool enough for the camera. Look at that camera setup. Jeez. I'm gonna film this real quick. So guys, I'm chilling with, I'm sorry, I didn't catch your name yet.
Nico.
Nico?
Yeah.
I'm Mike. So he's over here and he tells me that he's watched one of my YouTube videos, the 435 MHD tune. That's crazy, man. Yeah. That is wild. Look at this cute puppy. Got some cars making some noise. That Mustang is popping like crazy. Dude, that thing will bust your eardrum on a full rev. It's a clean Evo. So race car drifting. Got slicks on this thing. You can hear that supercharger in that camshaft. A white M3 over here. This thing's clean. It's a clean little build right there. He's got awesome fit, man. Jeez. Got an E60. Oh, dang, it's an M5. That thing sounds beautiful, I'm sure. It's a clean RS3. Got a clean Supra up here. It's got a huge wing. Check this thing out. This thing's beautiful. Never gets old, man. Never gets old seeing these things. Ooh, this thing's clean. Look at that color. It's like a midnight purple. I love it. Right-hand drive. Uh-oh, I think that's an R34. We gotta go. Oh, I think so. Let's go check it out. Jeez. Now this is something you don't see all the time here in Colorado. Thank you. This is a treat right here. This is awesome. Wow. Yep, R34. He's from Louisiana. Maybe just registered in there. These cars are so freaking low. They're like pancakes on the ground. It's a timeless design. Got this boosted E46. This thing is sick. I'm sure this thing rips. This thing's slammed to the ground. Look at that. This thing looks sweet roll. Got the drone. There's like 12 of these in the air right now. Dang, I don't know if I caught that on video, but that Evo just spit crazy flames. This is about to be crazy. There's probably over 100 cars all getting on the on-ramp right now. All right, here we go. Okay guys, so I think a group of us went on the wrong highway because I can't find anybody. Like nobody is on the highway. It's just me and a bunch of normal traffic. So I have to find where everybody went. So let's see if I can do that. It's pretty packed out here. Over here. 335 single turbo versus crazy Evo. Looks like I can't. All right, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yep, guys, that is a single turbo 335. Thing's pushing big power, so there's no way I'm gonna keep up. I'm not even tuned yet. But I did, we had that Corvette next to us. We did gap him, so that felt a little good. It's also so hard to race and shift right now because I got my camera in my hand. I really need somebody or like a GoPro to race with this kind of stuff. So I put my phone down and I raced that single turbo 335 again. And I did so much better not having to hold this camera, but he still beat me, but I was right on his bumper the whole time. As soon as I get tuned, it's game over. This thing's gonna be passing those kind of cars. So that's gonna end this video, guys. I really wanted to get some good racing clips for you guys, but I just got lost on the highway and those guys were way the opposite direction. And by the time I got up to them, they weren't gonna be racing. So a couple cars had some issues too that were just pulled over on the side. So got to follow up and see what that was about. And also, I don't want to be pushing my car too hard because I have catless downpipes with no tune, and that can be bad for the engine doing that. So, or bad for the turbos. So I want to be careful with that. Once I get the crank hub done in 2 weeks, I will be tuning it. So it's going to be super exciting. We should start winning some races, and this thing's going to be a beast. Yeah, I gotta tighten up some stuff real quick because for some reason I'm getting a rattle when I idle. It just like rattles, and I think it's because this air intake, listen to this, it moves when it's idling. So I need to figure out how to relocate it so this sensor isn't banging on the strut bar because it's so annoying. So that's one thing I'm gonna do. Yeah, guys, wheel spacers coming soon. Gonna be uploading that. Super excited to see how my fitment's gonna be with the lowered car. So please subscribe. It means a lot to me. It helps the channel out big time. So we're gonna be taking over some car content this summer. So join us and we'll have a good time. So thanks for watching, guys. Peace out. I'll see you in the next video.